Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to get voice changer on TikTok. First, let's open our TikTok app. Now let's click the plus sign in the middle. Then you can choose to upload a video you already have in your photos or gallery, or you can choose to record a new TikTok video. In my case, I'll make a quick one. Now when that's all done, click the check mark on your bottom right. Now from here, on your right panel, look for audio editing option. If it is not showing up, you might have to click on the down arrow button, just like what I have, and then there you go, click on audio editing. Now from here, there are additional options where you can record a voiceover for all of the video or only part of it, but the main thing from here is the voice changer. You have a number of voice types you can choose from. Once you choose a voice type, give it a few seconds. Now you will have to manually play the video so you can hear what it sounds like. When you're satisfied with that, just hit save, and that's basically it. The voice on the video should have changed and you're ready to post. And that's just how easy it is to get your voice changer on TikTok.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.